Welcome children in bio class. Children, you have to study photosynthesis. You know photosynthesis the process by which living plant cell which have chlorophyll prepare food to utilize carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight, and they release oxygen gas. Children, during the photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll play very important role. Chlorophyll absorb the radiant energy of sun, and this energy is converted into chemical energy. It is stored in the glucose, in the carbohydrate. Chlorophyll is a vital plant pigment. Without this, photosynthesis is not possible. And for making the food, carbon dioxide and water, these two are raw materials. And radiant energy of sun, that is solar energy, it is the source of energy. Therefore, the things which are required for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, water, solar energy, and chloroplast. Therefore, I told photosynthesis is the process by which living plant cell containing chlorophyll produce food, that is carbohydrate, glucose or starch, from carbon dioxide and water using light energy of sun. And during this process, plants are producing oxygen gas. Children, you have to understand how this photosynthesis is important. The photosynthesis is very important process, because the photosynthesis is the process which provide energy, that is provide food for all living beings. So in the importance of photosynthesis, children, you have to understand photosynthesis the process which is the ultimate source of energy and food for all living beings. All the living beings directly or indirectly depend on plants for the food. Second is oxygen. Oxygen is the life supporting gas. Without oxygen, no any living being can survive. So oxygen gas supports all life on the earth. This oxygen gas is released during photosynthesis. If there is no green plants, no photosynthesis, then there will be no oxygen. So children, you have to learn photosynthesis is important process because it provide food for all living beings, and it provide oxygen to breathe in to all the living organisms. Next, children, you have to study about the photosynthetic pigment. Photosynthetic pigment is chlorophyll. Chloro means green and phylls leaf. So chlorophyll is the green coloring matter found in plants, especially in the leaves of the plant. Chlorophyll is found in a cell organelles. Children, you have studied in the chapter cell. In the cell organelle, plastids are found, and these plastids are three types: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chloroplast are green plastids, because they have chlorophyll. So if you see the structure of the chloroplast, it is bounded by double membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. The inner membrane has enclosed proteinaceous, colorless ground substance. This proteinaceous, colorless ground substance is called chloroplast, and you can see in the cytoplasm of the cell like this structures are present. It is bounded by two membrane. This is the outer membrane and this one is the inner membrane. In between the both membrane, what is space is there, that is periplastidial space, and this is the proteinaceous colorless ground substance. So this portion is called stroma. It is stroma. In the stroma, closely packed flattened sacs are present. So when you see the structure of chloroplast, you will find in that there is, this is the membrane and this portion is called stroma. Now in the stroma, there closely packed flattened sacs are present. So like this flattened sacs are present inside it. So these flattened sacs are called thalcoid, and when flattened sacs are arranged in pile, then it is called granum. But like this, not only one, number of are present. So you will find here there are numbers of flattened sacs are there like this, many. So this plural is grana. One flattened sac, pile of flattened sac is stroma. One single one is thalcoid, but many are there, that is called grana. And these grana are connected, they are interconnected by intergranal thalcoid. So they are interconnected by intergranal thalcoid, and inside the thalcoid, if you see the structure of one thalcoid, then you will find inside the thalcoid photosynthetic pigments are present, that is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene and xanthophyll. And these photosynthetic pigments trap solar energy for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll absorbs light at both ends of the visible spectrum, that is blue and red light, and it reflects green light. That's why chlorophyll appear greens. But if intensity of light is very high, then chlorophyll may destroy. So chlorophyll is highly sensitive to light. So children, you watch video and try to understand. Like and share it.